Okay, we're gonna do a visual condition report. Now we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. So looking at this front right wheel, I don't see any curb rash. That wheel looks really nice. Now you do have full front clip PPF, full fender hood front bumper. Looks like a little rock impact there. Otherwise, that panel looks nice. Side mirror looks good. A-pillar's nice and clean. Couple water spots here and there. Little tiny surface scuffs from just everyday washing. But as far as damage goes, I don't see anything. That paint looks good. You're gonna have a couple rock chips just kind of on the inside spokes. But as far as curb rash goes or any outside damage, I don't see anything. So that looks good. The upper section looks nice. That roof looks good. Okay, checking out the front end. Full front clip PPF. So if it does have little rock impacts, it should just be in the film. It's really hard to tell sometimes though. But so far it looks really clean. See a little impact there. All of that looks nice. This looks awesome. Looking at that splitter. I don't see any curb rash just walking around here about a foot off the ground. All right, looking at the engine bay. Of course, it's nice and clean. That looks awesome, as well as the underside. All right, checking out this side, looking at that fender. It looks amazing. I don't see any curb rash on this wheel. That lower rocker looks nice. It's a really small scuff of some sort. It barely catches my nail. I don't think it's a gash necessarily. It looks almost like a paint transfer mark of some sort, kind of scuffing it. The rest of that door looks good. Here in the quarter panel. Now this has the tiniest ding with it. I mean, I'm talking tiny, tiny, tiny. Whatever got it. That does catch my nail. And this top one does as well. That wheel looks amazing. All right, checking out the back here. Overall, that looks awesome. Couple surface scuffs on that taillight, just from like everyday washing. And then here on the lower section, we do have PPF protecting it. All that's in really good condition, very clean. And looking in here, of course you got the sub. All of that looks nice. Here on the driver door panel, we do have a small scuff right there, but the rest of that looks awesome. Got a couple scuffs on the plastic here. That bolster looks amazing. Got a tiny scuff there, if you can even see that. The rest of that seat looks good. Alcantara on here is still nice and smooth. It's not matted down. It smells amazing in here. It smells brand new. Those buttons look good. I see a small scratch, actually a little gash on the plastic. All those buttons look good. The rest of this looks amazing. Very clean. All right, looking at the front right door panel here, looks absolutely perfect. That kick plate looks good. We do have a couple scuffs there. Looking at that bolster, looks amazing. That one's nice and clean. I don't see any flaws that really stand out on this seat. Looks amazing. Dash looks good, glove box is clean. All of that looks brand new. There's really no complaints on this side of the vehicle. It's hard to see back here, but these look perfect.